Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Doordash driver gearing up for tax season, today's video is your ultimate 2025 step-by-step guide to filing your taxes using TurboTax. Whether it's your first time or you just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through every key step so you can file confidently and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive right in. Head over to the official TurboTax website. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, click Create an Account. It only takes a minute. Make sure you have your email address and a secure password ready. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage. From here, select Federal to start entering your tax details. This is where all your income and deductions will be organized. Click on Wages and Income. Because Doordash drivers are independent contractors, you won't have a traditional BU2 form. Instead, most of your earnings will be reported on a 1099 NEC form that Doordash provides. In the search bar, type 1099 NEC and select it when it appears. Enter the exact numbers from the 1099 form you received. Double-check everything. Accuracy is key. Self-employment section. Next, scroll to the self-employment category and hit Start. This section is critical because it lets the IRS know you're an independent contractor. Here you'll enter your business name. You can simply use your own name, your business type, select delivery services or gig economy work, all your income and any deductible expenses like mileage, phone bills, or equipment. TurboTax provides handy prompts to guide you. TurboTax might suggest upgrading to a self-employment plan so you can claim all deductions and get the right forms filed. There's a small fee, but it's well worth it to maximize your deductions and stay compliant. Before submitting, carefully review every entry. TurboTax will flag anything that looks off and offer tips to fix errors. Once everything checks out, you can e-file your return directly through TurboTax for a quick confirmation from the IRS. And that's it. Your full 2025 guide to filing Doordash taxes on TurboTax. By following these steps, you'll be confident, organized, and ready for tax season. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gig worker tips and tax hacks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.